Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted to see all the devices connected to your Wi-Fi network on your Mac? Whether you are checking for unknown devices, troubleshooting your network, or simply curious about what's connected, Angry IP Scanner is one of the fastest and easiest free tools you can use. In this video, I will show you how to download, install and use Angry IP Scanner on your Mac step by step. Let's get started. First, let's know what is Angry IP Scanner. Angry IP Scanner is a free open source network scanner that scans your local network and displays all active devices. Now let's install it. First, open your browser and search for Angry IP Scanner for Mac. Then press enter. Now you can see here the official website of Angry IP Scanner. Click on this website. Now you can see here the download for Windows, Mac or Linux options. Click on macOS. Now you can see here bundle for Mac ARM MCPUs. Allow opening in security settings for the first time. Now this is bundle for Mac Intel, the second option. If you have Intel chip, choose this option. As you can see, the download is started. Now you can see the download is finished. Now let's open this. Double click on this application. Now you can see here cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. macOS cannot verify that this app is free from malware. Now just go on system preferences. Now you can see here security and privacy. Click on it. Now you can see here Angry IP Scanner was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer. Just click on open anywhere. Then click on open again. And that's it. Now open this Angry IP Scanner. Click on next, next, next. Then close this. Now you can see here the interface of Angry IP Scanner on my screen. The first time you open Angry IP Scanner, macOS may ask for network permissions. Just simply allow the permissions. Without network access, the network won't be able to discover devices on your network. Find your IP range first. When Angry IP Scanner opens, you will notice two IP addresses. You can see here. This IP range, you can see here. If it's already filled in, you don't need to change anything. If not, you can manually enter your network range. Now, scan your network. Now simply click on the start button. You can see here the button. Click on start button. Within a few seconds, Angry IP Scanner will display every active device connected to your network. As you can see on the screen, IP address, host name, ping, ports, everything. As you can see, the scanning is completed. Each detected device appears as a separate row. Angry IP Scanner also includes several useful features. You can export scan results as CSV, TXT, XML or IP port list. Keep your cursor on the menu bar on the scan option. Now you can see here export option. Export selection. Just click on export all. Now from here just change the file type. You want text file, XML file, IP port list, SQL file, CSV. Then click on the save button. And also select the directory from here where you want to save your exported data. And then click on save option. That's it. And that's how you download and use Angry IP Scanner on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.